morning. Welcome to Stay Home with me at Valley View Farm in Australia. Today I'm settling in the new girls, doing some craft activities with the kids and some fun schedule setting, and then I've got a cocktail recipe called the Lychee Quarantini. Come hang out and stay home with me. I hope that you guys all got a little bit of sleep last night and didn't spend too much of it worrying about the world. I mean, we're all worrying about the world, but I'm wearing this shirt today, Future, Do Not Look Back. And I think it's like really appropriate at this time just to try and focus on today and moving forward. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to kick off with a morning meditation. I've downloaded the Headspace app and I'm just doing their free basics course because I like the voice of the guy that takes it. If you want to download and follow along, I've just posted a cool sunset. So if you're not somewhere where you can see nature or hear those beautiful kind of outdoor sounds, you can go check that video out. I'll leave a link down below. But first, coffee. And then because I work from home, like a lot of you guys, I got a little bit of working to do. So today I've got photo approvals. All these get through except for this one. And then I kind of got on a bit of a tangent, realized how dirty my computer was. So then I started cleaning it. And then I thought, wait, I'm nearly out of toilet paper. So these are my tissues and I probably should be conserving so I don't run out. All right, kids craft time. And you know you're weighing up what's important when you let them use the good pencils. So we kicked off with a drawing competition and the kid's dad got involved as well. So rather than having a winner here, we just kind of made everybody tell each other what they liked about their drawing and they had a little presentation. It was lots of fun and it was actually the highlight of Jacob's day. So his all-time favorite thing from the whole day. Now this is something I saw on Pinterest like 2 years ago, and for this you'll need 2 clocks. I'm going to use sticky sheet labels, or you can just use regular paper and glue, and I'm tracing around half of my clock and then putting a mark at each of numbers. So you should end up with like a semicircle with little kind of flecks around it. As a family, we set a bit of a daily schedule, and then I'm just going to color in the individual wedges and allocate them to certain times of the day. So the morning when I'm working from home is screen time for the kids, but then it's outside time, art projects, and any given moment of the day, they can go to either the morning clock or the afternoon clock and work out where they should be and what the next activity is. And yes, I've allocated time for cleaning because everyone's got to pitch in. You guys, this amazing rainbow popped up. So I took a video of it for you. If you want to check it out, it's like 30 minutes of just good, solid, slow moving rainbow action. I managed to find a flock of bantam chickens for 36 bucks for a dozen of them on Gumtree. I've always loved buying and selling secondhand, but I think now it's going to be more important than ever. Just come in from Gumtree. Hey, chickens. I caught some chickens. Hey, chickens. Their coop's not quite ready, so this is a bit of a makeshift pet enclosure that'll do for the night. We have a box of chickens and a makeshift chicken coop. But when we open that lid, 12 chickens going to come flying out, so we're going to try and get them into the coop as quickly as possible.
That's my mum with a broken arm. But my dad is doing all the heavy work. My brother is also lifting something up, as well as my mum that has a broken arm.
All right, this was super awkward. But we got them in there and the boys are going to give them a first feed before hopefully tomorrow they go out to the Chook Nook. We're going to do a chicken lolly scramble. The poor Chooks are pretty terrified after their big trip, but they've come from a suburban backyard and they're going to a pretty awesome patch. So I think they're going to love it. Now I promised you guys a fun cocktail and I think we've all earned it. To make a lychee quarantini, you're going to need tinned lychees, vodka for a cocktail, or coconut water for a mocktail. So I'm going to do 60 ml, which is basically 2 shots of the vodka. And then I'm going to put in double that amount of just the lychee juice from the tin. Add in a lychee to shake it around with, and don't forget to put lychees in your martini glass, and then copious amounts of ice. If you think you have too much ice, you don't add more ice. You don't want a warm martini. If you don't have a shaker here, you can also do this in a mason jar, and then you want to give it a kiss for luck and shake it like your mama made it, or like you want to shake COVID-19. I'm going to leave this bit silent. This recipe is going to make you 2 cocktails, and since you've got nowhere to be anyway, you might as well drink them both. That's it for day 1. I hope you guys enjoyed staying home with me today, and I will see you all tomorrow.